Hello everybody, it's Julie the Whippy Chick, and today I am going to be reviewing a Furls Odyssey crochet hook. Furls is a kind of a high-end brand for crochet hooks. They do run about $33, I believe, $33 is what I saw on their website per hook. So for a frugal gal like me, that is a lot of money. I did not purchase this. It was actually given to me as a gift from my friend Emmy. So thank you very much, Emmy. And I thought I'd review it so that you could all see what you think of it and, you know, make a wise decision as to whether or not you should purchase one or a set. We'll start with the packaging. The box is beautiful. It almost looks like expensive makeup to me, like if you were to buy a very expensive mascara or lipstick. I could see it coming in a really fancy box like this. Furls are made in California, and they list the sizes on the back of the box. So this one that's checked off here is the size that is in the box. It's a 4.5 millimeter or a G+, which is interesting. I've never seen G+ before. But anyway, this is a 4.5 millimeter hook. So I am going to take it out of the box. Yes, it has been out of the box before because I did give it a test drive before this review. So I'm going to take it out again. And honestly, I do keep putting it back in the box. There's something about it that makes you feel like you have to take really good care of it. I'm not saying that it's fragile. I'm just saying there's something about the elegance of it that makes you want to put it back in the box when you're done with it. Okay, so here it is. It's this beautiful teal green color. The handle has these beautiful sparkles in the paint, which, you know, speaks to me. Julie the Whippy Chick loves her glitter. So it's very, very pretty. It's very smooth shaft. It's elegant is the word that keeps coming to my mind when I think of this hook. It fits really nicely in your hand. I do use a pencil grip when I crochet, and it does fit nicely into my hand. I think the only thing that I really struggled with getting used to was there's no place to grip. There's no thumb grip for me. Most crochet hooks have like a little spot to kind of place your thumb. So it's not, you know, a detractor by any means, but it was something that it did take me a little bit of time to get used to, is there was no place for my thumb to sit. Let's see, what else can I tell you about this hook? The size is listed on the bottom. It is a sticker, so it doesn't feel like it's going to peel off at any time, but that might be something to take into consideration, that it is a sticker on the bottom of the hook. Again, you could always keep it in your box, or if you have a set, I'm sure that it would have a case that you could keep it in so that you could keep your sizes straight. Okay, let's take a look at the shape of it. I'm not sure if this is an inline hook or not. I'm going to put it against this box as a background so you can kind of see the shape. Now, when I hold it up against a Susan Bates hook, to me it looks like an inline hook. Here is a hook that is not an inline hook, and it definitely has more of a dip in this spot right here. So to me it seems more like a Susan Bates style. But then again, the hook itself is a little pointy at the end. So it's really tricky for me to figure out whether it's an inline hook or not. But I'm leaning more towards inline. Maybe it's a combination, I'm not sure. Maybe it's just its own thing. So I did take it on a test drive. I crocheted this baby bonnet using this hook, and I liked it. I really did. I enjoyed it a lot. The glide was lovely. No snags or pulls or anything like that. Obviously, you wouldn't get that with a hook like this. The hook easily slid in between the stitches without any problem at all. It was great. I really enjoyed using it. So I believe that these hooks retail at about $33. At least that's what they have on the website. They have excellent reviews on the website. People seem to really love it. I noticed that people who struggle with arthritis or fibromyalgia, they tend to really like it a lot. So it must have something to do with the ergonomic design of the hook. I'm not sure. I'm fortunate that I don't have any of those problems. So I can pretty much crochet with any hook. But it is a beautiful hook. It's, like I said, it's very elegant, very sleek. And yeah. Okay, so let's take it around the block a little bit. We'll just do a little bit of a double crochets here on my swatch. And as you can see, yeah, it slides very easily into every stitch. It's got really smooth glide to it. Overall, I'm very happy with this hook. And I think you would be too. I guess what it boils down to, though, is are there other hooks that you're just as happy with that don't cost $33 each? And that, of course, only you can decide. I think if it were me, I would start off buying just one hook, maybe in the size that you use the most, and checking that out, seeing if it's something that you like the feel of, and if you feel you can't live without it. It's a lovely hook. It really is. It's beautiful. It looks gorgeous. It feels comfortable. So if you're looking to add some beautiful high-end hooks to your collection, I sincerely recommend picking one of these up. All right. I hope you enjoyed this review, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks.